Yo. Happy Tuesday. Happy motherfucking Tuesday. Hold on just a second. All right. Still at the 9:30. Had to let the cat out. But anyway, back to Tuesday. A couple of changes. I'm just, adjusting to the changes, and then also have some changes in my environment. So far, NASDAQ is ripping up. Stream information out the way, and ES is down. Excuse me, that's actually it's going down. Okay, let's just look at it. Got about 10 minutes until this candle closes. About to see the reaction to this candle close. It's really made my shit really simple. Price is pushing up. It's dropping down to PLC. Pretty cool to test of that. Just had a lot going on. But I see it now. Had a lot going on before the stream started, so it's just last minute stuff. Nothing crazy, just like, oh snap, it's showtime. But my brother wasn't ready for the show to start, so yeah. Happy Tuesday. We didn't really have much news prior to the open. And volume, just kind of pricing and stuff like that. Just honestly making price just show us what the fuck this intentions, man. I really got rid of everything. Just to make sure that everything is just so simple, so fucking simple. Like looking at the market sentiment. I see that NASDAQ is outside of the previous day, so the close way outside of that, so it's pretty extended to the downside. Same thing for ES, and it's actually open yesterday, so the previous day, it moved pretty far from outside of yesterday's price. So it's getting a little distracted from the goddamn outside noises, so no time for that. take some time to go through streaming. And don't do that to my computer, man. My computer said, man, bro, don't try me, bro. Get in the paint. But, you know, that's only ES, so it's the only one I voted so far. Yeah, the other instruments low. Still loading. Got gold loaded. Exit that. Ain't too crazy one time. One time. One second, let me do something. Hold on. There's a lot of fucking noise. Same culprit, man. It's the same freaking culprit, man. I don't know what cat dude got going on, but he is on a terror. Just hear loud thumping. He in there just crazy with a toy. But anyway, this is our 4 hour. See that? Still very bearish. It says very clear. That's why I just kept having issues with that. This candle closes in about an hour or so. Show that we're pretty extended with the downside. It shouldn't take long. My trading ideology is still the same. I just like to try out, you know, a curiosity. And sometimes it has me involved in different systems and stuff that, you know, how people will entertain, but, you know, really passionate about this, really, you know, I really like what I do. And, you know, that comes with the trade, I guess. So, I have a lot of refinement, but it's still the same fundamental, because previously that was on my charts last week was just, I wanted to see more confidence in entering, but it showed me just more confidence in just volume, bro. And it be, and just respecting the price that you see. I just taught me to see price in a different way. Still see the same everything that I picked up from the lower time frame. Other aspects of order flow, the heat map and stuff like that. Anywho, we got like, see what happened. We just go out, really ain't got much to say, y'all. Candle glass, my nice little strong close. Whatever, really doing nothing. There's 15 minutes. Well, that goddamn going indecision point right here. Let me cue. To this goddamn ledge. There you go. And if you look closely at gold, I know this is on ES, biggest fan in those sort of traders, but the pump is right there, it swept it. It came up out of this with these people too. Trace this whole entire candle or what? I had 3 panels up. It just, just made it that other panel into a group on this stream, but I'm not missing nothing. So I just wanted my stream to be just very mellow, bro. That whole the heat map is just, sat back and reflected. I just felt like, so much effort for so little results. So I had to pump the brake. My mediocre results, it wasn't, consistent enough. It's something that like you have a belief that I know what I know, but this ain't a reflection of what I know. Ooh, what's the point of, thinking to something? Or that's giving you feedback that it ain't for you. That's insanity. To the sell out. Buy area hot. It's actually open right there. It's definitely not the open. This is the open. What's gold? Get away with just collapsing this tool. Give me much just to have a two layout of it at the sides. Once again, I don't have to worry about that because this is out the frame of the stream. But yeah. Let me see if it's going to accept this goddamn go PLC. I mean, it ain't really much volume. You look at the range. A little ledge here or ES. Get that stick out. They don't go there. So much better on trading view. Pushing up. Is reclaiming its range. I mean, excuse me, it failed to hop. And ES is just, it's within its range. That look like it's going the other way. This is something we kept missing in our story. Just storytelling. For some reason, my story would collapse every time I get down to a lower time frame. I think it's just because we kept dropping the lens of the daily, and this is what the daily volume profile does, because it's a form of trading the daily sentiment. So it looks like we're heading back to stay, at least at this moment. Not really looking at the candlesticks, more so looking at the candlesticks for overlap. candlestick behavior in confluence with the volume profile of, like for example, ES right here. We mitigated this area. This circle above all of it. NASDAQ did though. So crazy. I have my value profile on Trading View, gold, and Quant Tower. Gold looks totally different, but it's the same, sentiment per se. Showing me that my ledgers is bottom heavy, but the one on the Quant Tower showing me that it's top heavy. Curious. That's a good fucking suggestion. Can't really see this way with my light. Ain't open to suggestion. I got dang on Jamaican accent from me. I was trying to watch that goddamn going. I the movie yesterday, but I ain't gonna lie. I fell asleep. I said, man, I want to spend my time watching no drama, like exciting movies. Gotta be careful with that, especially doing that shit before bed. You have all those weird fucking dreams. Oh. It's a good idea to watch a horror flick. Get the chart just thumping. But yeah. Trace clearly. See, because like I said, my ring light is actually so bright it's blocking off one of my goddamn phone screens. I get my charts together. Oh, what the heck happened to that thing on ATM? My bracket template. Every time I go a few days without trade, it feels so freaking rusty. This is crazy. if gold continues up. So far, we're showing an acceptance of VOCLs, after coming outside of value. I'm gonna candle, but the US market is completely just turned around. It's establishing the discounts. Just speaking in terms of the value profile, not being all fancy or nothing. Be quite impressive if it actually holds. Yeah, it's kind of sad. The opening candle was kind of gave all the retrace all the way back. Make sure both of them ready to rotate. That's what it wants to do. Yeah, it's just giving me you underneath this little cluster right here. My NASDAQ range is so goddamn thin. Chart range, because if you're wondering what that big ass profile is on the right, it's just the 4 chart range, the visible. I guess per se. Well, I guess it's not visible. I guess whatever the range is of what I, data. But yeah, just definitely took out the low. There's and fucking there. Oh, tested overnight. It's got a viral thing. Try to short it out. We try. get not on ES, but I'm looking at that. Just one contract. This is based off this high right here. Yes, I'm really looking at it from the right. Let me make you the default real quick. Yes, I'll say this hot right here. Looking for that to be positive, you know. DLC. So my first target, right? There's only one contract, 182. See, yes, continue, but especially if you hold this 681. It's a trailing stop too, so break even is up. There. Just want to get my mental capital out of the way. Rather conservative. This is my first time trading this week. Guess it took me out. Just noticed that. I'm so busy looking at ES, I didn't notice that I'm out of position. Guess it went back. Yeah, man. These two look totally different. Crazy because my DX feed didn't give me that other day. Y'all see that, right? That live stream. Let me see what. I have two different servers I get data from, but it looks like Lucid data provider gave us a profile for the holiday yesterday. So it definitely kind of throws the mix. Definitely take a screenshot. This is a valid data point. Took my one setup. That conforms with our pre-market fundamentals. And I guess, you know, just doing the dance, the confluence dance, you know, or being the safe haven, But when people want to, I guess investors want to take some risk off and just look at the markets, like look at actual ES for, that's literally the market, the US market, or just the volume of, okay, how are you moving at area of significance. But today we had a bottleneck that we didn't know, and I guess it depends on the provider you have a subscription to. But more trades. Just want to get into the groove of this particular style. I'm going to take my time to really get into positions. Because if, you keep layering up all the confluences, like you're trying to make yourself convince yourself. So it's like, all right, man, just go up a time frame, open up your risk a bit, and let's just see. It's only on this so I can really get a good view of the daily profile. Anywhere from 4 hour to 30 and see the 15 minute in the markets. But yeah, that's enough talking, enough yapping. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you have any suggestions, drop the comments below. Fuck with your boy. Goldilocks Day Trader. Back tomorrow for another trading session. Wednesday, hump day Wednesday. Anyway, peace.